Making some curry chicken tonight. Starting off sauteing some onion with some olive oil in the wok. Get those little browned up, and then we're going to throw the chicken chunks in there and brown up all the chicken chunks. So right now this is the onion cooking up. Alright, so now we added the chicken chunks with the sauteed onion. We'll brown these all up. Cook up, these got to get brown. Alright. So now that's almost there. Cooked up almost all the way through. Now we're going to add my seasoning. This is what happens when you hang out with Indian people your whole life. You know how to cook Indian. This stuff is the bomb right here. So we're going to do 4 teaspoons of this spice paste into the chicken. Now we'll get your curry flavor and all your other spices in there ready with your chicken and your onions. So let me get a spoon, we'll get that in there. Alright, now the curry paste is added. We're going to stir that all in. Make sure you get it all nice in there, turn it into a nice juice or gravy or whatever. Just start wafting it up. You'll see start thickening them up. So make sure all the chicken is covered. That's my beautiful wife right there. Hey, Bill. See, she's so lucky she has a cook to do all the cooking. She makes the bacon and I cook it. How you doing? Alright. That's all nice and covered. And now I'll get some more ingredients to add and I'll be right back. Okay, got everything covered in there. Some beauty. And next now, I'm going to add some diced tomatoes. Throw that all in there. I do a little extra because I like the tomatoes. You really don't need this much, but we like the tomatoes, so we can plop it all in there. That's where the Italian comes out. We're going to add, I'm going to get some of these, 3/4 cup of water. Put that in there. Oops. Put 3/4 cup of water. And then sugar. So probably like a tablespoon of sugar thrown there. Get that, I'll be right back. So now you can see the tomatoes, the water, and the sugar we added. Probably put about maybe 1/4 cup, less than that, I don't know, maybe 3 tablespoons, whatever, of sugar. And then again with that, we start stirring again and mixing it all up. Tomatoes, everything. I'm gonna let that cook down. Everything's got all the juice on it, stir it all around. Make sure everything's saucy. Now what you do is push it all in there and let it sit, and you're going to let this simmer for about 20 minutes. And the sauce will thicken up, and that's your curry chicken. Over here we got some jasmine rice going on. Throw that on top. Alright, you can see this now just sauteing. That's being in it for 25 minutes. Also, when I said before, I said 3 tablespoons. I meant to say 3 teaspoons of sugar. It's basically 1 teaspoon per serving, but I've more or less tripled up everything in here. So that's why I went a little heavier on the sugar. Plus I added extra tomatoes too. That's about right there. There's one between 2 or 3 teaspoons, yeah. And that will cook down too. What I'm going to add is a little extra. For me, is this, some Fluke I had from the other day that we staked up. Got that bad boy in the air fryer, all fried up with some seasoning. And I'll take some of the sauce and pour it on top of the Fluke as well. Make a little curry Fluke. So here is the curry Fluke. See the texture on that. That's the sauteed curry mixture that we made. I'm gonna put that Fluke in the air fryer with some seasoning and do it in the curry mixture. Absolutely delicious. So what we do is basically put a bed of rice in the dish. There's Jennifer's, she likes more like bowl style. I'm just a dish. Nothing crazy. Put a bed of rice, that's jasmine rice I put in there. And as you can see, this is almost done. It's like another 2 minutes to go in the simmer. And then we just put it over the rice. And we go to town, kid. Texture. So that is your completed dinner right there. That's your curry chicken over your rice. Delish. You got the curry sauce drizzled over the rice. There's Jennifer's right there. And the pretty bowl. Curry chicken. So now we'll do a taste test. And Jennifer, you can tell them how it is, alright? There we go.